Hi students, now we are going to see the third sum in exercise 1.2. What is it? They have given to us, we have to find the inverse of the given matrix by using Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, already we have seen what is the Gauss-Jordan method. If we are going to post multiplying with A, we get the pre-multiplying identity element with A inverse. So that is known as the A inverse. See, this is the matrix, augmented matrix. Here I am multiplying with identity element with A. Suppose if you are multiplying like this, means when we are doing elementary row operations with A, this A changing into identity matrix. This identity matrix is changing into A. This is known as the inverse of this A. This is known as the inverse of this A. Now we are going to see the sum. While we are doing elementary row operations on both A and identity, A is changing into identity, I is changing into inverse of A. Okay? Let A is equal to 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. So I am going to write the augmented matrix A 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. So we have to do elementary row operations with A as well as I. So now I am going to do one by one. We have to do. Okay. First we can take this first element. What is this 2? What we need? 1, 0, 0, 1. Then something. What is something? Already we have seen inverse of this matrix means we have to change this diagonal elements. This is the answer you have to get. Okay, 2 by 2 means easily we can check with this. So I want to bring this element is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the inverse of this. So first I am going to, this is R1, totally R1, this is R2. First I am going to divide by R1 by 2. Suppose if we are going to do like this, means 2 by 2, 1 minus 1. So minus 1 by 2. So in this row also we have to do the same operation. So as it is I am writing this second row. Now I am going to change this 5, transforming to 0. So for that, this is R2. R2 minus 5 R1. Listen, here 5. Here suppose if you are getting minus 5, this term it will be 0 now. So 1, the row as it is we have to write. So now we are going to do the second row. 5 minus 5, 0. See here, R2 minus 2 minus 5 into minus 1 by 2. See what it will come? Minus 2 plus 5 by 2. So minus 4 plus 5 by 2. Here I am getting 1 by 2. Here 0 na? 0 minus 5 R1. 0 minus 5 R1. What is that? This. See for this 0 minus 5 into R1. So minus 5 by 2. Here 1 minus 5 into 0, 0. So here the value is 1. Okay. Then we change these two elements. Now I am going to come to this minus 1 by 2. Suppose if we are going to add these two terms, R1 gives R1 plus R2. See, what is this? R1 gives R1 plus R2. R1 here 1 plus 0 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 0. 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2. Here 0 plus 1 1. So minus 4 by 2. Here we can write 2 minus 2. This same we have to write now. Minus 5 by 2 1. Now we need here 1. So here I am going to multiply this R2 with 2R2. 1 0 0 1. This term as it is, it will come here. See, 0 into 2 0. 1 by 2 into 2 1 minus 5 by 2 into 2 minus 5. Here 2 into 1 2. So the required answer we got. Okay, this is the method to find the inverse of the given matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. So in this method we have to concentrate each and every element. That time only we can do the simplification easily. So first we have to take this element, then this, any order. This or first element and second element in row, first element and second element in second row, like we can take. This is the method to find the inverses of the given matrix by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Thank you. Now we see the second division. First I am going to write augmented matrix. 3 by 3 matrix they have given. 1 minus 1 0. 1 0 minus 1. 6 minus 2 minus 3. 1 0 0. 0 1 0. 0 0 1. First we have to do the transformation below the pivot element. Suppose if you are getting these two entries or 0 means easily we can do the other elements, isn't it? By using elementary row operation we are going to transform these given matrices into inverse of matrix. Okay, so first see, listen, R1 R2 R3. We want to get this element 0. For that R2 gives R2 minus R1. Then R3. Suppose if we have to change this 6 into 0 means R3 minus 6 R1. That time this term it will get 0. Nothing in this. I have here 6 is there, but here we go have 1. So 6 times of R1 means this term will get 0. 1 first term, sorry, first row as it is we have to write. Second row see, R2 minus R1. R2 1 minus R1 0. R2 0 minus 1 minus 1. R3, sorry, this R2 minus 1. Here R2 minus 1 minus 1. 1 0. Next step R3. Come to R3. R3 minus this 0. Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus of minus 6 of minus 1. Minus 2 plus 6. 4. Then here R3 minus 6. This is 3 minus 3. Here 0 minus 1 into R minus 6. Here 0 minus 0 0. Here we are getting 1. Next step, we completed first column. Now we come to second column. See here, minus it minus plus 1 it will come. See this. Now we come to this. This R1 gives R1 plus R2. See 1 plus 0, 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Here I am getting minus 1. Like same 1 minus 1. Here 0. Here 1. Here 0. 0, 1, minus 1. Minus 1, 1, 0. 0, 4, minus 3. Minus 6, 0, 1. We completed this. Here this term should be 0. R3 gives R3 minus 4 R2. See R3 minus 4 R2. Listen, R3 4 minus 4 R2 1. This time it will come 0. So first row as it is, you have to write 0, 1, 0. R3 only now we are going to change. 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0. R3 see 0, minus 4 into 0, 0. Second, 4, minus 4 into 1, 0. Here, minus 3, minus 4 into minus 1. Minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. So, you are getting 0, 0, 1. Like the same, you have to do the operation here also. Minus 6, minus of 4 into minus 1. Minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 2. Minus 2. 0 minus 4 into 1 is equal to minus 4. 1 minus 4 into 0, 1. So here I am writing minus 2, minus 4, 1. Very simple calculations only here. So see 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. We completed 2 columns. Now we have to get these 2 entries are 0. So now I am going to see if you are adding these 2. R1 gives R1 plus R3. R2 gives, this here we need 0. R2 gives R2 plus R3. See, R1 plus R3, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Like the same, 0 plus minus 2, minus 2, 1 minus 4, minus 3, 0 plus 1, 1. Next step, R2 plus R3, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1 minus 4, minus 3, 0, 1, 1. Next step, 0, 0, 1. Minus 2, minus 4, 1. This is the answer. This is known as the A inverse. This is the A inverse. The thing only they asked to find. So we found the inverse matrix of the given matrix. Okay. So we have to concentrate one by one, especially in column wise. Suppose if you are going to column wise means it is very easy. Why? Because first we are changing these below the pivot elements, all the entries, all the entries are 0 now. So column wise if you are doing the operations, elementary row operations, it is very easy to find the inverse of the given matrix. Now, third subdivision. First we have to write augmented matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 1, 0, 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So first what we have to do, see this is the first one, no problem. So below this pivot element, other the pivot element we should bring 0. So now I am going to R2. I am going to take R2. Why? Because here 2 is there. R2 minus 2R1. R3 minus R1. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0. 2 minus 2 R1 here 0. 2 R2 what is that? 5 minus 2 into 2. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Here 3 minus 2 into 3. 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. Here R2 minus 2 R1. R2 0 minus 2 R1 1. So minus 2. R2 1 minus 2 into 0 1. This is 0. Okay. Next R3. R3 minus R1. See 1 minus 1 0. R3 minus R1 0 minus 2 minus 2. 8 minus 3 5. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. See first column over. Now we come to this. Suppose if we are adding this R1 plus R3, this term it will come 0 na? R1 gives R1 plus R3. Next step. What we get? R1. See 1 plus 0 1. 2 minus 2 0. 5 plus 3 8. Like 1 minus 1 0. 0 1. Okay. Zero, 1, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0. This R3, if you are going to take R3 plus R2 plus R3. See 0 plus 0 0 minus what? R3 plus 2R1. R3 plus 2R1. If you are adding means here 0. R3 5 plus 2 into minus 3. So minus 1. Here R3 minus 1. R3 here minus 1. Minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4. Minus 5. R3 0 into 2 or 1. 2. R3 1 into 2 0 1. So we completed 2 rows. Now we have to come to this. Suppose if R1, R3, okay, we can take R1 gives R1 plus 8 R3. What it will give? R1 plus 8 R3. 1, here 0, here 8, here 8 plus R1 minus 8, 8 minus 8 0, like R10 plus 8 into 5, 40 minus 40, 0, 16, 1 plus 8, 9. Okay. Second 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1, 0. 0, 0 minus 1 minus 5, 2, 1. See, maximum elements we completed. Here we have to get 0. 0 na? So, minus 3, we have to multiply this 3 means R2 gives R2 minus R3. Listen. R2 minus R3. First you write that R1 as it is. So now R2 minus R3, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, here minus 3, minus of minus 1, minus, so 3 R3. 3 R3 means minus into minus plus 0. Here we get 0. 0, 0 minus 1 minus 40, 16, 9. Here R2. For this we have to do the calculations. R2 minus 3 into minus 5, 15, 13. Then see 1 minus 6 minus 5. Then 0 minus 3 minus 3. Last minus 5 to 1. Finally we have to, I am going to, here only one minus is there now, I am going to divide R3 by minus 1. We can do elementary row operations here. Okay, only for row. Suppose if I am going to multiply with 1 by minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here minus 40, 16, 9, 13 minus 5 minus 3. R3 you have to know 5 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 40, 16, 9, minus 12 minus 5 minus 3. Here 12 is coming 15. What is this? Okay, this is the answer. So you just do the practice. This is known as the Jordan method to find the inverse of the given matrix. Okay, thank you.